Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. I have Halloween treat bags project for you today. This is my go-to treat bags for my treat or trickers almost every year. These treat bags are super easy to make and you can use your pattern papers that you are hoarding or just collecting dust on the shelf. I begin by cutting my 12 by 12 paper by 2 inches by 9 and 1/4 inches. You will get 6 cut papers or 7 if you cut it to 9 and 1/4 inches first and then cut it to 2 inches. You will only have a little scraps of paper. I figured that out later on. So instead of having 6 small scraps, you will only get just 1 scrap of paper from 7 cut papers. So these are all my cut papers. I also die cut some of my solid paper scraps because I have a lot of them too, so I need to use them. I die cut them with stitch rectangle die, but you can use your paper trimmer to cut it to 2.5 by 3 and 3/4 inches. I also have Halloween pencils here and I got this at Walmart on clearance last year. For the embellishment, I have Halloween foam stickers from Michaels. I also got these ones on clearance last year. And I still have some of this Kit Kat here that I use as treats from a project last time. I will add some Starburst candies later for the other treat bags after I use all of the Kit Kats. I use Pretzel Bags and you can get this at Michael's, Joann's, or even Walmart or your local grocery stores. You can find them in the baking section. This is pretty quick and easy to make. I will insert this paper inside the bag and add my treats. You can add more candy in the bag if you want, or you don't have to use pencils. You can add maybe glow in the dark sticks or other treats that the kids might like. The Hershey's chocolate nuggets also fits inside and you can probably add 6 or more nuggets in there. And then I'm going to add the topper and use my stapler, and that one is the Tim Holtz tiny attacher, and then add my foam stickers and this is done. I'm going to show you again here. I'm going to insert my paper inside the bag, add my pencil and my candy, fold my topper, and I'm going to staple it using my tiny attacher and then adhere this foam sticker. And my treat bags are finished and they are ready for Halloween. I made a lot of these treat bags. I can't remember how many I made that day, but I think it's more than 50 treat bags. I hope you like today's project and get inspired. As always, thank you so much for watching and I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.